What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon. This is actually going to be my first video today. So we're going to go downstairs, and I just bought an Infiniti G35 2004 coupe, and I just got in my shift boot and my shift knob. I've seen there's been like a couple videos up on YouTube, but I kind of want to make my own. So
Syndrome on the beat, so you know it's slap.
So first, you're going to want to start off by just twisting this counterclockwise. Now sometimes it might be hard, so don't feel too scared about twisting it. I've already twisted mine prior to this, and it was kind of a hassle, and the leather wanted to turn with it, and just don't really care too much about that. Just keep twisting until it starts loosening up, because it will eventually. That came off. This is the original one. Does not look too good. So after I got the shift knob off, this is what it looks like. This is just the original stock. So after, I'll be coming in and swapping it out. I got it from Tokyo Tom's. And that will be my replacement. This right here is where the shift boot goes, right here. So I think we take these clips off, and then the old leather one is right here. This is the old stock one. And my hazards went off just because I'm still connected and I didn't disconnect, so I'm good. So I'm gonna try to fiddle with this and get it off, because I've actually never done this part before, so we'll figure it out.
Let it be.
Now that we got everything out, now we just gotta figure out how to get these clips off this little, stock boot. And once we figure that out, then we'll be able to put the regular boot on. I was able to just get my flathead, and I took off this silver lining. I don't know if I should have done that, but I did anyway. So I took this off just so I can get a better view, and I just stuck it in right in between a little crevice right here. You guys probably can't see because it's a little dark, but I just stuck it right in, and I kind of just gently just started popping it up and going around, and just kept doing it repeatedly. So now all the clips came. I didn't want to break any clips because I don't want to go through the hassle of trying to buy a new one. This one's all off now. Now this is the boot, and they're latched onto these little tiny clips. So what it looks like, I'm not too sure if on the new boat it doesn't look like there's already cuts on them. So you can get like a knife or maybe like a tag and try to tear it open a little bit, or a razor blade and just cut them up. So just so the fabric will stay in and won't pop off. So I'll be doing that here in a minute. Alright guys, I got it on. That was my process. So these little slits right here, you're definitely gonna need to put them on just so the boot doesn't move and it'll stay locked on. And I'm hella hype. And there we go. Wow. Damn.